This educational video is intended to help children build their vocabulary for the purpose of their general knowledge, as well as to improve their scores on state and other standardized exams. Please pause the video to read the purpose, scope, and warnings related to this video. This video has a free student engagement worksheet that can also be used as a quiz. It's available in many formats. Please see the link in the description to download this. In this video, we'll learn the definition of these words. We'll do that by focusing on the meaning of the word parts, which make up each word. The word partseed means to go. The word proceed is made of two word parts. The first is pre, which means before. Together, these word parts mean to go before. This means that something happened before something else. Here are some examples. The main meal precedes the dessert. The widespread use of sailing ships preceded the development of ships with engines. The word precedent is made of similar word parts as the word proceed. It means a prior example or behavior. Here are some common examples. These children have set a precedent of riding the tire swing together, so we expect other children will also ride together. Dr. Elizabeth Blackwell was the first woman to earn a medical degree in the U.S. She set a great precedent for all women who are interested in becoming doctors. Now, about half of all students in U.S. medical schools are women. We most commonly use the word precedent in the context of law. When judges are deciding a case, they often check to see how higher courts decided similar ones. In the U.S., the Supreme Court rules on important cases, and their rulings set the precedent for how judges should rule on similar cases in the future. The word unprecedented begins with the word part un, which means the opposite of. The suffix ed means something happened. To say something is unprecedented means that nothing like this has gone before. Here are some sentences with the word unprecedented. When the jet engine was invented, its unprecedented power made jet planes fly much faster than propeller planes. The unprecedented amount of rain this April made more flowers grow in June than ever before. The word proceed is made of two word parts. The first is pro, which means to support or forwards. The second word part is a spelling variation on seed, which means to go. Together, these word parts mean to go forwards. Here's an example of using the word proceed. It's a sunny day, and there's no rain in the forecast for the next 3 days, so the farmers can proceed with their plans to harvest their wheat. The word procedure is also made of the same word parts as the word proceed. A procedure is a series of steps. Here are some examples of using the word procedure. The procedure for making a roof look new is to first scrape off the old paint, then to brush on the new paint. For a sprained ankle, the procedure may be to apply cold packs to reduce swelling, then wrap the ankle with a support bandage. The word recede is made of two word parts. The prefix re can mean back, or it can mean do again. In this context, it means back, so recede means to go back. You may have heard of a receding hairline. That refers to the edge of a man's hairline that goes backwards with age. It can make men have a bald spot on the front of their scalps. Thanks for your attention.